Effective marketing and advertising play a crucial role in reaching and engaging your target audience, promoting your products or services, and ultimately driving sales and revenue. Target audience identification. Understand your target audience's demographics, preferences, pain points, and behavior. Tailor your marketing messages and advertising efforts to resonate with their specific needs. Compelling branding and messaging. Develop a strong brand identity and consistent messaging across all marketing channels. Your brand should convey your unique value proposition and evoke emotions that resonate with your audience. Content marketing. Create valuable and relevant content to attract and engage your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and guides that address their pain points or provide helpful information. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and foster engagement. Engage in two-way communication, respond to comments, and share user-generated content. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers or industry experts who have a significant following and influence in your niche. They can help promote your products or services to their audience, increasing brand exposure and credibility. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Use platforms like Google Ads or social media advertising to place targeted ads that appear when users search for specific keywords or match predefined demographics. Email marketing. Build and maintain an email list to engage with your audience directly. Use email marketing campaigns to share product updates, promotions, and exclusive offers. Retargeting and remarketing. Implement retargeting or remarketing campaigns to reach users who have previously visited your website but did not convert. Event marketing. Organize or participate in events, trade shows, or conferences relevant to your industry. Event marketing allows you to connect with potential customers face-to-face and showcase your products or services in a tangible way. Measuring and analyzing results. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your marketing and advertising campaigns. Analyze key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, CTR, return on investment, ROI, and customer acquisition costs, CAC, to assess the effectiveness of your strategies. Effective marketing and advertising require continuous optimization and adaptation to stay relevant in a dynamic marketplace. By understanding your audience, crafting compelling messages, and using a mix of marketing channels, you can build a successful marketing campaign that drives growth for your business. Don't forget that this was the 6th part of an 11-series video. Check out the next video to learn more about customer focus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified.